and welcome back to another one of my videos. So you clicked on this to get the tea on how I got my hair to be this vibrant during lockdown without a hairdresser. So I'm going to insert a little picture over here of what my hair looked like before I did this color. It was already like light ginger shade. I don't mind the shade at all, if I'm honest. I think it's quite a nice color, quite a nice shade, but I was missing the more like vibrant red hair, so I decided to use this product called Reflesi and actually dye my hair at home during lockdown. I have been dyeing for like a fresh look, and I feel like my hair isn't like in between colors. It's now a little bit more vibrant and fresh. So all I do is literally wash my hair, apply this product, and I'm good to go. So I'm going to take you through the washing process, and I'm going to explain exactly how it works. So stay tuned to the end of this video, because I'm also going to show you a really quick little styling like tutorial on how I get my hair this dead straight, and what I use, what styling products I use, what hair care products I use, and also how I use my products in the shower to make sure that I'm not washing out the color that I've just put on. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay, so as you guys can tell, I have just hopped out the shower, and all I've done is emptied that entire tube of Reflesi into my hand, and I've literally just massaged it into my entire hair. I then picked up quite a thick brush and just brushed the product through. I'm going to leave this on my hair for about 30 minutes, and then I'm going to jump into the shower, and I'm going to obviously like wash it out or rinse it out, and then I'm going to put another moisturizing mask on top just to kind of reiterate the kind of moisture factor in my hair. A little bit of advice: always use gloves when you do this. I've done this so many times and it always stains my hands, and I seem to forget every single time. So always just use like salon gloves or surgical gloves or anything you can get your hands on. But yeah, this is like really easy to do. I will also warn you that it does stain your shower and your bath, so be careful of that too. Just make sure you wipe it down as soon as you're done, and then wipe it down after you've rinsed it out. So I'm going to leave this on for 30 minutes, jump into the shower, wash this out, and then I will jump back on here when I'm busy styling my hair. Okay, so I got out of the shower about 30 minutes ago. I just got out the shower, did my makeup and got dressed and everything like that, and I kind of just left my hair to air dry. It's mostly dry. It is still quite damp at the bottom, but that's okay. I'm going to go in with my hair dryer and stuff now and actually style my hair. But what I wanted to just quickly share what I did in the shower after I washed that off my hair. So all I did was take the Reflesi, took what was in my hair, and I took a tiny little bit of shampoo. I don't use too much shampoo. It's not like a normal cleanse. I literally just go over my whole head with a bit of shampoo. I took like a dollop size shampoo, and then what I actually did is I washed the shampoo off, and then I applied my Ellipse hair mask. If you saw my favorite video that went up on my Instagram a few weeks ago, you would have seen that my microkeratin mask is finished. So I usually use that one, but this has been a really good substitute for it. It's also a lot more affordable, so a lot more people enjoy this one. So I applied that on the ends of my hair. I left it on for like 5 minutes, and then I just washed it out. So the thing that I really love about Reflesi, this is a mask. So it does help to protect your hair. I always find that after I've done it, my hair is so much smoother. It's in such great condition. It's not like a normal coloring product that actually strips all the healthiness from your hair. The only reason I applied this is it helps me a lot with frizz. So as you guys can tell now that my hair is kind of naturally drying, it is quite curly. It's been ages since I've had an actual microkeratin treatment, so because of that I go in with that mask, and it helps just control my frizz just a little bit. So yeah, I apply that, and I just rinse it out and throw it in a t-shirt. So I like to use a t-shirt to help dry my hair off. And all I'm going to do now is straighten my hair, and that's pretty much the process. So I'm going to go just show you guys how I straighten it, how I blow wave it, and how I just style it in like a normal hair style. Let's talk a little bit more about the actual product. So Reflesi is a really good, amazing thing that's come around. If you have bright hair, or if you are my color hair, this is perfect because it's something you can do at home. It's really easy. It's like a non-permanent wash out conditioner, but it's still a really professional product. You can pick it up from Twincare. I don't actually know if this is available for the public or for consumers. I got it from my hair salon and they sold it to me, so I bought it through them. So I don't actually know the correct process, but if you contact Twincare, I'm pretty sure they can help you out with it. I just love it because it's not permanent. It's not going to damage my hair when I'm using it. It is a mask, which means it's depositing color, but it's also protecting the hair a lot. My hair feels amazing afterwards. Make sure you also have a comb or a brush handy and you're actually combing that mask through your hair. I like to put it in, comb it through, and then just do like a top knot that holds all my hair in place while the color is setting. I left that color on my hair for a total of like 30 minutes. It says about 20 minutes, but I like to extend it to 30 minutes just so that I can make sure that that color is vibrant. As I mentioned previously, the fact that it's not like perfectly dispersed, and some areas are lighter and other areas are darker, I don't mind that at all. Obviously I've got like an ombre look, so there is a lot of other colors happening in my hair, so the fact that it's a little bit uneven, I don't mind at all. I also like the fact that when you cover your natural hair color like I have, it does give that area a bit of a shine. It just helps to brighten up that area too. So I'm going to go ahead and blow away my hair and straighten it, and you guys will see the final products. Guys, the process for blow waving my hair when I'm going to straighten it is really simple. I literally take my hair dryer and I just hold it up at the top, and I just kind of comb down my hair just to get majority of that like frizz out. And you can tell my hair is quite straight, but I obviously want that like perfectly sleek straight hairdo. I really love the way that this color is looking. I'm super impressed with it. I feel like if you are somebody that wants a really like low maintenance hairstyle, this really has been low maintenance because you can just fix it at home. It's super quick, and I've found the whole thing like quite affordable to also maintain. I think that I paid like 290 Rand for this thing, and I've used it 3 times, so it's definitely worth your while. So yeah, all I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my Yoko hair straightener. You guys know that this is the only hair straightener I use. I'm just going to section off my hair, I'm going to straighten it out, and then I will show you guys what the end results look like. And that is pretty much it for this kind of hair transformation look. I absolutely love the color of my hair after doing this. I actually cannot believe how much my hair has grown. I'm going to insert a little picture, but you can see like where the red starts. It used to literally start up here at the end of last year, and now we're like already sitting down here. So in the past 4 months my hair has grown like grass. If you guys are keen to see what my hair growth technique is, because I do have a little secret trick, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll film that video for you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope that it was informative. If you've got hair the same color as mine, I would love for you to try the product and let me know how it was. Let me know your experience with it. Just keep in mind, guys, that this is a professional color product, so what it does do is it stains everything. Make sure you use black towels, use gloves, use all of those good things, because I promise you everything will stain in your bathroom, and you want to try and avoid your bath looking like blood, or your shower looking like blood. It's not, I've mentioned this in some previous videos, but I only wash my hair once a week, so anything that I can do to prolong that like good smell, I will use and I will do. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I hope that you found a bit of insight if you're wanting to dye your hair at home. I am a huge advocate to no box dye. Guys, don't do it. I know we're stuck at home and it's challenging and we want to just grab a box dye and redo our hair. Don't do it. I promise you, you will stuff your hair up if you're not a professional. Wait till the salon's open. If you've got my color hair and you're looking to do something easier, contact Twincare and get your hands on this awesome product. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love the way this looks. I love the way it turned out. I don't know how much longer I'm going to have this hair color for, but for now I'm really loving it. I am going to link all the brands of all the products that I have in front of me that I've used in this video down below. If you guys enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you part of my little TakenByStorm family. I love this little blog space. I love this YouTube space. I'm getting more and more into it. Hopefully I will be like a pro YouTuber by the end of the year. That's my goal. And I would really love all of your guys' support during this process. So thank you so much. Enjoy your rest of lockdown, rest of your day. I don't know when you're going to be watching this. Enjoy your evening, enjoy your whatever. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, beauties.